Yes, Maximum. And the move again. It's all about Italy. It's coming Saturday night. I don't know Sicily. Don't know. Right now tonight is all about Amsterdam. Don't know. It's all about the journey. You can't give up on your works when you have your works. You know what I'm saying? So give up every artist out there. Don't give up. You know what I'm saying? And don't keep yourself in a one category. Explore the music. Makasama up.
EasyJet holidays can take you anywhere and everywhere. From Croatia to Greece and opportunistic to Tenerife. Whether it's a blissful beach escape or a scintillating city trip, there's an EasyJet holiday to suit every budget.
Makasama. I must tell y'all, it's burning hot. Flame, you feel the heat of Africa. You get me? You're there. Turn on. Yeah. I eat, man. Yeah. It's on Jamaican style. I just have to piss at that bush there. Yard style. Driving long. Yeah, respect. We're on the go again. That's what liquid do.
Yeah, no.
Look at this. You think I do? Wait, hold on. I want you, the flag either way. But do you see this?
Oh, yeah.
This is where everything goes down, yeah? We're in Sicily.
But the Abuda,
Yeah.
they built that there. The slaughter park was like that, they put, makes sense, they put. Okay. But Abuda, they built that shit from scratch.
We're here, yo. This is gonna be the spot. Sun hot.
That one, and then my empress is
Yeah.
there.
Beach is there. Liberty is there. As you can see the beach down there. So it's like you're in Jamaica, though.
Bro, you see this?
Yeah. So you're at Jamaica, you know?
Bro, paradise.
We're here, so look people. Beach,
We go around, you know.
everything. So I'm missing out. You see it?
Bro.
Missing out. It's all here. Everything there in Sicily. You want beach there. You want cool shit there. You want bar there. See there?
Me and you would get problem now if you wouldn't love it. Me, I love it. Nice people.
Look at all this. Look at the view. As you see. You hear me? As you see view. See. Mad. Look at this place. Tomorrow night, Jamaican them staying here. It's gonna be sick. I'm staying somewhere over next side. But yeah, bad.
I see this is my little Jamaica, isn't it? All the palms, we have sugar cane,
Oi, oi.
banana.
Only thing I don't see is a mango tree.
Yeah, mango tree, is true, didn't make it. But we have passion fruits.
Yeah?
Lots of passion fruits. Maybe
there's a
tomorrow
bar up
morning, before tomorrow morning when we wake up, or maybe one of maybe sleep here, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow morning we can stay here a little bit. We can see it during the day. It's nice.
Man.
We can have a coffee and
So when you come Sicily, you see this spot. You need to check out this spot. You need to check out this spot. This is the place. Orange, man. Get orange. See that? Orange, you know. Yeah, look. Orange. They're young, but these are no good, they're young. Orange again. Okay, I see a ripe one there. I'm gonna get that one there for sure. So let's see how I'm gonna get this one. Oh. Look at that. sour, that means it's gone. Let me just show you. Look. Look. See that? Hey, and it have taste. Actually, it's sweet. Very sweet. Find an orange, man. Can't believe that. I'm gonna get an orange out of the tree. That's serious. Yeah. I got more look to a lemon, you know. Hey, there's turtle in there. There they are. See them? Yeah. The turtle them come around, you know. And this is lemon. I see them, they come out. I'll mix lemon juice now. Yeah. We'll make lemonade. This one too soft, so if it's too soft, let's see. Lemon. Is it that? All right.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah! Make some noise for the artist, please. Remember, I only speak patois. I speak broken English, so you have to understand, you know. Could I see you put your hands in the air if you want to hear Jamaica right now? If you want to hear an artist all the way from Jamaica right now, an international reggae artist, he's the farmer man, and he will tell you farming is the way. Plant more food, plant more ganja. All the way from Jamaica, he said, my princess God. 90-degree 20th anniversary, Sicily. Can I hear you make some noise and welcome in Sicily? JAH
See them a coming and them multiple. The most I cut off all obstacles. Give in to the system and I go do. Somebody said Jamaica so them can't touch you. Live it in me lifestyle can't devalue. Can't buy me out a remodel and this journey. Safe travel, some not real, them and fake, them too wobble. Yeah, Jah wipes away all my sorrows, and He takes away all my pain. Jah wipes away all my sorrows, and He takes away all my pain. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Italy Sicily. Yeah, Rastafari. Good him track. Somebody do it. Sicily. Jaja. You ready? Are you ready? Well, Jaja means I love the heel vibe. Sicily we love the heel vibe. Hey, Jaja means I love the heel vibe. It's only what I know. Yeah. Yo, Jaja means I love the heel vibe. Another heel vibe. Now we go bill vibe. And we no bill vibe. We love the heel vibe. Another heel vibe. Now we go bill vibe. And we know. Yeah. I love the hill vibe and me always want it. Love the hill food that Jamaica planted. Love the hill tune and that ready for dancing. Never see them, I jump and branches. And my grandmother ready for freelancing. Yo. Hey, Jamaica love the hill vibe and the hill vibe. Now we go bill vibe and we no bill vibe. We love that. Bring me down. Sicily. What time is it? Good night or good morning, anywhere in the world. You know it's all about love and joy. That's our Jamaica. Now there is no begging, so we can get it. Alright then. So nothing can stop us when we try. Let me tell you this, whoa. Nothing can stop us, you and I. Nothing can stop us, nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us, stop us, stop us. Nothing can stop us, stop us, stop us. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. So nothing can stop when we try. Next track. So we do it. She's holding your business. Pull up that. Hold it. Eyes in the building. For who don't know me, my name is JAMAICAN, aka Farmer Man. Hear that? Give me that. When we big up all Farmer Man, what the in Farmer Man? Hey, Sicily! Look up in the look up in the one is over the Superman. Bring them up to the farm. Then you win now big problem. Then look up in the one is over the Superman. Bring them. Hey, Sicily, you don't take it. Yeah. Pick up yourself, amigo. And that's amazing. Hear me tell you. Mama Mania, are you ready? Make we plan some good food for everybody. Mama Mania, are you ready? Them love food, them bad food, we don't want it. America plant war but not be perfect for me. We a plant food and not be perfect for me. Some of them lazy and them love them and they want more land. Pull up that. Do it again. Give it up for the ladies. Mama Mania, are you ready? Them love food, them bad food, we don't want it. America plant war but not be perfect for me. Me a plant food and not be perfect for me. Some of them lazy and them love them and they want more land. Me don't understand him. When food be planted, no gain on the planet. Better look at these and go back in a pull up. Next track. Side, so near that I can see them. Don't let this love slip away so easily. I'll be there for you, and you'll be there. The princess need a royal prince. Missing the queen them need a loyal king. Alright. The princess need the queen them need the princess need the queen them need. Them need a royal. Cause them no want no lady. No big belly man like him and go for beard. Next track. Somebody sing for man. Me blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. Okay, attack corruption can't save them. Blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. The blacker, this we gon' praise them. Blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. Cause okay, attack corruption can't save them. Blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. Tell them, if you change the dirty ways, them blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. Cause dirty and corruption can't save them. Blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. The blacker, this we gon' praise them. Up in the tune, I'm in so seat up here for rival show. Me nah go praise the pro, me nah go bow to the mechanizer. I want to give the news so them a go swallow them saliva about them skill. And not tell me how them a MacGyver. Make sure you hear the king and them a go sing love, love. When we go blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them, blaze them. How you feeling, Sicily? Give it up for Jamaica. Can I hear more noise than that for Jamaica? Turn up the rhythm. Now when the lion around, them getting frightened. Thunder roll and then the lighten. I hear the Rastafari, I get time blessing. Watch your wicked man ship sinking. We day up on a mission and me now waste no time. Burn Babylon and then they use them to crime. Mr. Politician telling you them pure lies. Making pure promises and know them no provide. Just like a river bank, the whole of them collide. There is no way if you run to, no way if you hide. Them have the innocent in a poverty and crime. And giving a your fight you will chant to Rastafari. So when they lion around and getting frightened. Thunder roll and then the lighten. 90 degree here Rastafari, I get them blessing. Watch your wicked man ship sinking. So when they lion around and getting frightened. Thunder roll and then the lighten. Dance all winning at their face. Them watch you now. Sicily, how you feeling again? Do you want to hear some music? Are you ready to go home? You ready, 19? Them not ready to go home.
What it's all about there, Sicily, about to leave, but just do about an hour something come to the airport, and then gonna take a bus from here to another airport. I'm gonna take about 4 hours. No longer our flight is 3 hours. So notice I've been on the road from morning. Making my way back home now, just same thing up all morning. It's about the music and what we love dearly, so we have to go the distance, you get me? Yeah, done now. See it? It's the airport there. One airport with there. Now, this is the one we came. You get me? So the flight is not going back to this airport for some reason. This airport was at fire the other day. So it's only half of the airport working. So now it's another 4-hour journey. After when we do get the bus, that's what I get to find out. These buses don't leave until they got enough passengers. So you can see a hour, 2 hours gonna wait. Get me? And at the end, you can't have go. You get me? So finger crossed we get a bus. We get to the next airport on time, hopefully. Yeah, we're there.